Hello. I'm really glad you're here. If you found this meditation today, there's a chance that something inside you feels tired, or tender, or in need of care. And I want you to know, you're not strange or weak for feeling that way. My name is Elizabeth. I'm a trauma-informed therapist, and I work with women who have had to grow up too soon. Women who learned to be strong when what they really needed was care. Today's meditation is for the part of you that didn't always feel protected, understood, or emotionally held. The part of you that learned to survive quietly. The part of you that still carries old emotions in the body, even when life looks fine on the outside. In this meditation, we're not going to force healing or dig up painful memories. We are simply creating a gentle space to offer your inner child what may have been missing. Presence, safety, and compassion. This practice can help calm your nervous system, soften self-criticism, and slowly rebuild a sense of inner safety, especially if you've lived through emotional neglect, trauma, or difficult relationships. You don't need to do anything perfectly here. You don't need to feel anything specific. You're in control the whole time. So, find a position that feels supportive to your body, sitting or lying down. And when you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose, and a gentle breath out through your mouth. Again, breathe in, and breathe out. Notice where your body is touching the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, your hands rest naturally. There's nothing you need to fix. Nothing you need to change. Simply allow your body to feel supported, and your mind to settle. Now, bring your awareness gently to your heart space. Inside, imagine a younger version of yourself, your inner child. You don't need to picture them perfectly. They might feel like a memory, a feeling, or simply a sense of presence. Notice how they appear. What emotions might they be carrying? How do they feel in this moment? This is the part of you that once needed more care. The part that deserves to be seen, heard, and held. Just allow them to be here. No judgment. No rush. Simply presence. Imagine yourself moving closer to this younger part of you. If it feels comfortable, imagine softly speaking to them. I see you. You didn't deserve the pain you went through. You tried your best. You are safe now. You might offer them your hand, or simply sit beside them. If it feels right, wrap them in a gentle embrace. Let them feel your warmth, steadiness, and care. Say to them softly, you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to be exactly who you are. Take a few breaths together. Slowly, calmly, lovingly. Now offer your inner child the words they needed to hear. You are enough. You are worthy of love. You matter. You don't have to carry this alone anymore. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding both of you. A light filled with compassion, patience, and safety. Let that light settle into your chest, your belly, your whole being. When you're ready, allow your inner child to rest within your heart. Always present, always safe. Take one final deep, gentle breath in, and slowly breathe out. Stay in stillness for a few minutes and let those words resonate into your soul. Bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when it feels right, gently open your eyes. Carry this tenderness with you into the rest of your day. Healing comes slowly, softly, and it begins with presence and love. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for giving your inner child the love, care, and presence they've needed. Remember, this part of you is always with you, and you can return to them anytime you need comfort or reassurance. If this meditation felt helpful, I invite you to come back whenever you need to reconnect with your inner child. You can also explore more guided practices on this channel, created to help you feel safe, seen, and supported every day. If you feel called to, consider subscribing so you won't miss new meditations designed to nurture your healing journey. And if you'd like, leave a comment sharing how today's practice felt for you. It's a gentle way to honor your experience and connect with others on a similar path. Take one last deep, slow breath, and carry this tenderness and presence with you as you continue your day. You are seen. You are loved. You are enough.